Let us recall exponents and laws of exponents. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Example, 2 power 4 into 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power 10. So here the power we have to add. 4 plus 6 will get power 10 and 2 is the base. Similarly, the next law. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. For division, the powers we have to subtract. Example, 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 2 is equal to 3 power 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3 power 3. Now, the next law, a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Now, this one, the power again raised another power. Already m is a power. Again it is raised to other power n. So power raised to the power n, we have to multiply the two powers. So look at the example. 4 squared again raised to the power 3 is equal to 4 power 2 into 3. So 4 power 6. So power raised to the power, both the powers we have to multiply. So we'll get the answer as 4 power 6. And next, a power 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Example, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. And now, a power m into b power m is equal to ab the whole power m. Here, a and b are different base and the powers are same. So the base we can multiply a into b. Look at the example, 3 squared into 2 squared, which is equal to 3 and 2 are different base. So 3 into 2 we can multiply. So 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 squared is the answer. Now here minus 1 the whole power m is equal to minus 1 if m is an odd positive integer. Minus 1 whole power m is equal to 1 if m is an even positive integer.
Let us apply the laws for the example and see. Now the question is 3 by 5 the whole cube into 3 by 5 divided by 25 by 9 the whole squared. So now this cube I am bringing for both 3 and 5. So 3 cube by 5 cube into 3 by 5 divided by 5 squared, 25 I am writing as 5 squared and 9 I am writing as 3 squared, the whole power 2. Now which is equal to 3 cube by 5 cube into 3 by 5 divided by, now here I am applying the rule. 2 again raised to the other power 2. So power again raised to another power, we have to multiply the power. So 2 into 2, 4. Similarly for the denominator 3, here 2 is there. So 2 into 2, 3 power 4. And this step, the division will change into multiplication. So we have 3 cube by 5 cube into 3 by 5. Division changes into multiplication and this number we should write as a reciprocal here. So 3 power 4 by 5 power 4. Now the numerator will become 3 cube into 3 power 1 into 3 power 4. All this 3. And the denominator 5 cube into 5 power 1 into 5 power 4, which is equal to, here we are applying the rule, that is multiplication rule. 3, 3, 3, same base is there and we have to add the power. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Similarly for the denominator, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 3 power 8, 5 power 8, which is equal to 3 by 5 the whole power 8. This is the answer.